The year is almost over. Can you believe it? Are you wrapped up and regrouped spiritually for this year that's nearly completed? Today I'm going to teach you a step-by-step regrouping practice that you can use to be sure that you're wrapped up for the year that's passed and prepare yourself for the year to come. So stay tuned. Hello, my name is Melissa and I'm the founder of the Spirit Guided Life School. My mission in this lifetime is to help you trust your inner guidance so you can awaken yourself to the fulfilling and abundant life that you deserve. I teach you how to develop your intuition, connect with your spirit guides, find your life purpose, manifest abundance, and a whole lot more. So if these topics resonate with you and you're interested in practical tools, not woo-woo, practical spiritual tools, please subscribe, please share, please comment. Help me spread the word that these free videos are available for everybody to enjoy here on YouTube. Okay, so let's talk about spiritual regrouping for the new year. First of all, it's really important that I share with you that regrouping is a need. It's not a want, it's not a frou-frou thing. It is a need. Just like our body needs food and water and sleep, our soul, our spirit, needs regrouping. So don't skip this and really give yourself the time to regroup when you need it. So what do I mean by regrouping? It's simply the opportunity to take a little time to reflect on what you have experienced and what was the spiritual growth that you got from your experiences. Experience is the key to growing here on planet Earth. There are a lot of people who are in their heads right now. Maybe they're learning a lot. Maybe they have a lot of wisdom or knowledge, but they haven't really put it into practice. We are here to learn and grow. Not just learn, but learn and grow. Learning is the easy part, let me tell you that. The growing is where our challenges come up, because you can learn something and understand it, but until you've actually put it into practice, there is really no growth. And growth can take time, and spirituality can be a bumpy road, and you really can't rush the process. You don't need to be in a hurry on this spiritual journey. It will unfold as it needs to through the experiences that you attract in your daily life. You are magnetizing and attracting the growth that you set yourself up for in this lifetime, whether you really realize it or like it or not, okay? So just allow your life to unfold. Create your life, yes, but don't try to rush the process because timing is everything. So if you don't regroup, you will start to feel spiritually full up, like you've got spiritual indigestion, so to speak. It's all this untapped energy that hasn't been released. So the new year is a great time to regroup because it's on most people's minds where we start going, oh, what are my New Year's resolutions? Or what did I accomplish in the past year? It just is what we kind of do in our society, so why not utilize that energy? It's not just the new year that you want to be regrouping though. Right? It's great to regroup every single day. But I love doing a yearly regrouping practice. So here's a step-by-step of how you can do this. You can ask yourself some really simple but wonderful key questions. So the first question you can ask yourself to regroup your year is, what did you accomplish this year? I recently did this where I kind of looked back through my calendars and I wrote down all the things that I accomplished, both in my personal life and in my career life. And I was actually quite amazed at what all the things I had on my list. I don't know, I don't have a great memory. I feel like I just sort of forget things. I'm very much focused on the present and the future. With my personality, I don't tend to look back on the past that much. So this is actually a really valuable process to help me to acknowledge all the things that I accomplished and experienced in the year. Honestly, I was sort of thinking that I didn't really do much in 2023, but that is not true at all. I traveled, I had some great successes in my business, I had some wonderful experiences with my son and with my boyfriend, and a lot of just great things. So first, ask, what did you accomplish this year? And take a little time to note down and celebrate yourself. for the big things and the little things. The second question you can ask is, what did I learn from my experiences? So this is where the growth happens. If you had some challenging experiences, you can ask yourself, what did I learn from them? And what did I learn from the positive experiences as well? The funny thing for me though, and I'm sure you might relate to this, is that I tend to learn more from the so-called challenges than I do from the successes. Now, it's not to say we don't want successes, of course we do, but sometimes that growth and that learning comes from maybe when things don't work out the way we expect, or challenges pop up along the way. And that is an opportunity to learn and grow. How did you master yourself as a person? What did you learn about yourself? What did you learn from those experiences with others as well? Question number 3 is, what was your highlight? Now, we're talking about a whole year, so maybe you have more than one highlight. But looking at the highlights of the year can be really wonderful. First, just to celebrate your successes and to think about what you want to focus on more of for the year to come. And the final question you can ask yourself, number 4, is what would I do differently next time? This is a wonderful question to ask yourself, again, to be aware of the growth and expansion that you want to have. If an experience came up that maybe didn't work as you thought, or you learned from a mistake, you can say, okay, if that situation happened again, this is what I would do differently instead. I learned something in my business where I was trying to do my promotion in a certain way and it just wasn't working. It had worked 3 or 4 years ago, but it wasn't working anymore. And so I had to acknowledge that, okay, I can keep trying to make this work, or I can just accept that this isn't working. People aren't responding to this, so what can I do differently? And that's where the growth is. If you get stuck in doing things a certain way, or, a fixed picture of expectations, you will get yourself feeling stuck, right? So it's always an ongoing process of tweaking and expanding both what you're doing and what you're feeling inside. Now, a wonderful practice is to set yourself a key word for the year. So you can ask your angels, what is my key word for the new year? And come back to that word over and over again as your focus and your pivot point for the year. If you would like to learn more about how you can set yourself up for an incredible year in 2024 and many more to come, I invite you to join me in just a few days on January 1st for the New Year's Magic Workshop. I call it New Year's Magic because we are going to create magic and manifesting. We're going to tune into the energy of the universe and your unique life purpose and find that amazing match and vibration that will effortlessly magnetize and attract your desires to you in your life. If you want to manifest a better year in 2024, you need to take the time to set your intentions and to decide, what are your goals? What are you wanting to manifest? And let's face it, sometimes we don't make the time to do those kind of things on our own. So this 3 hours that we'll have together in the afternoon of Monday, January 1st, is going to be your sacred space, your connection with others in community, so that you can regroup 2023, set your goals, and manifesting for 2024. And I'm going to teach you my 7-step manifesting formula that is proven to allow you to manifest your true heart's desires every single time. So please have a look at the link below. Click on that link to learn more about the workshop, the amazing bonuses that are available if you sign up early. And if you want to watch another video to go deeper with your manifesting and your intentions, then I invite you to watch this video next. It's called How to Make Your Visualization and Manifesting Process Much More Powerful. There's a secret tool in this video that will amplify your manifestations. So go ahead and watch that one next, and I'll see you on the manifesting workshop.